Hi guys. Today I'll show you how to replace an HDMI port on a Xbox Series S. Let's inspect the condition of the port first. Remove the warranty stickers carefully using some hot air and isopropyl alcohol. Disassemble the machine fully. Inspect the conditions once more under the microscope. Remove the ESD protection sponges using some alcohol and hot air to later reuse them. Apply some flux on the pins of the HDMI port. Remove the port by heating up from the bottom. Make sure that you don't pull on the port, otherwise you very likely will rip some pads from the board. Port successfully removed. Apply flux and leaded solder to the pads to make wicking easier later. Always wick away from the traces to avoid ripping pads from the PCB. Make sure to use a bigger soldering tip on the ground holes. Apply low melt solder and use hot air to help wicking the holes free. Add flux and leaded solder to the pads. Make sure every pad has the same amount. Apply fresh flux afterwards. Heat up the solder on the pads and drop the port in, while it's still liquefied. Make sure you put proper pressure on it to ensure a proper connection. Now fill the ground holes with leaded solder and make sure it flows through to the other side of the board. Clean the area carefully using PCB cleaner. While at it, make sure to clean any dust and replace the thermal paste before assembling the machine. Connect an HDMI and power cable after assembly. Console displays image again. Thanks for watching.